It will help you, most especially you women that is always complaining that you are not enjoying anything. Your body is stiff. See, this juice will actually rejuvenate your body. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video I'm filming today because you might see my previous video that I'm wearing the same top. Yeah, this is my third video today. I don't have time to be changing clothes. Who get time for that? I'm in for the business, in for the video, in for the information I want to share. That's the most important thing. All right, so welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe, a DIY recipe, a home remedy you can do at home by yourself for sweetness, to stay juicy, to stay fresh, and taste very, 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 very sweet. Okay, if this is what you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video for people who are interested in this kind of video. All right, so it is important to give me a thumbs up if you are watching this video and you know my information is actually helping. There's no harm in giving me a thumbs up. It will really help my video to go to places on YouTube. Like I said earlier, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a sweetener by yourself in your kitchen using organic products, natural products you can just get from your local market, and something you can also get from your kitchen. Add 1 + 1, 2 + 2 together to get a sweetener drink. All right, and this sweetener drink is also good for men that wants to improve in their performance. If you want to go from 4 seconds to 5 minutes, man, because see, we women, we like strong armor. We like strong armor, like seriously, armor that can go on and on and on and on without complaining, without being perplexed, without being coral. You know what I mean about that? If you don't know, just follow my lead, okay? If you have armor or prick that is like this, see, this video is also for you. You can benefit from this because this video will actually give you all the energy your prick needs to work like a man. All right, so as for women, this drink will actually sweeten you, make you feel refreshed, and produce some juice that you need to make you stay juicy so that the drink can be doing well, you know, so that the drink can be doing well. And when the drink is doing well, both of you will enjoy yourself as a man, as a woman. You actually enjoy yourself, you have a good time, you have a great time, and trust me, your marriage is working here, if you know what I mean already. So without further say or do, let's go right into our kitchen and prepare the sweetener drink for men and women, men and women, ladies and bobo. So at this point, you have to pour all the ingredients into the blender and blend everything together till it is smooth. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and sieve the juice. All right, but come to think of it, if your blender can actually blend all the ingredients till it is smooth, there's no need in sieving it. At this point, I just feel like I do not need to sieve this. At the same time, I'm still checking to confirm if my blender actually blend everything smoothly. But here I am, I just feel like I don't need to sieve it. So you guys, you can follow your instincts, okay? Follow your inner spirit. If you need to sieve it, and if you can blend it smooth, there's no need in sieving it. All right, just drink this juice twice or thrice a week, or as long as you can tolerate it. If you can tolerate it 4 times a week, 5 times a week, it is always good. It will help you, most especially you women that is always complaining that you are not enjoying anything. Your body is stiff. See, this juice will actually rejuvenate your body towards doing the do, so that you can start enjoying your partner, and you too yourself, you can enjoy yourself and live a good and healthy life, if that makes sense. I'm sweating, like I'm sweating right now, but nothing spoil. Okay, so make sure you take it as long as you can tolerate, maybe twice, thrice, 4 times a week. It is good. It will help you a lot, and for men too, it will also help you, like I've said in my video. So if this video is informative, try as much as possible to like this video, share this video for people who wants to access this kind of information, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.